This is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and this is my last installation of that's a 3-part series of Memorydex cards that I'm making for the ladies that I scrapbook with. So we were doing a swap just amongst ourselves. Last month we did the pocket letter. This month we did Memorydex cards. So check out the other 2 videos if you missed them. But basically I use the same materials with all of them. I use this paper by Photoplay signboard, and I got it from scrapbook.com. And it's just a collection of those snarky sayings that you would say about scrapbooking. Like money can't buy happiness, but it can buy scrapbook stuff, and that's kind of the same thing. It's not in the scrapbook, it didn't happen. More cropping, less mopping. All kind of funny sayings like that. I use these Memorydex dies from off of AliExpress, and then both sets of Heidi Swap Memorydex dies. I use some of the DaretoBeCraft enamel dots, which I love. I showed this in the haul from Tuesday morning a while back. These girls with the long necks is called Headshots by Stan Pendis. Really cute girls and cute little sayings, even though I didn't use those sayings. And then I use this paper pad by Enemy, Pretty Things, My Mind's Eye. So that's basically spies. And then I just put out a whole bunch of punches and just punched out a whole bunch of elements to make these. I cut each one of the Memorydex cards out 3 times on 110 pound, or twice on 110 pound paper, and then the decorative paper to make it sturdy. I put my logo on the back. I got my name there too, but my logo's on the back. And then I just put punches and layered them. They all have a gold doily and gold thread. And all the ladies have been colored with my Spectrum Noir. So this one, you know, I just put behind her is a Martha Stewart Heart Punch, and then this is the Fisker's Floral Punch. This is the Marvy Branch Punch, and then it's a Martha Stewart Bird Punch, and just added some bling. And this one says, I'd rather be scrapbooking. Don't we all? Said every crafter, paper crafter person. You can always trust me. Not alone in the scrapbook store, but other than that. I love that. So again, the doily, the thread, Martha Stewart Butterfly Punch, and then this big punch in the back is by Fiskars, and then that branch punch is by Marvy. And that is so true. You can trust me, except for when I'm on Tuesday morning on Dollar Tree or somewhere like that shopping. Alright, so this is my craft room. Isn't messy. I just have everything on display. I should keep that for myself. Anyway, so the Martha Stewart bird and this diamond punch in the background is by EK Success, and then it's a flower back here, and that one is by Marvy, and then it's a bow punch right here with a bling on it from the Dollar Tree, but the bow punch is from Martha Stewart, and again she was colored with the Spectrum Noir. So those are my last 3. That's enough to cover everybody. And I'll pull out the other ones just in case you haven't seen them, but check out the other channel, the other videos for them. So I made 10 altogether. I don't know if you can see them all in one frame. But those are the 10. I finished making them all, and I will be giving them out tonight at the crop. Last month we did pocket letters. This month we're doing Memorydex. So I will be showing my swaps that I do with them, and they were fun, and I'm excited about what I get from them. So anyway, thanks for liking and watching and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.